Right now, the noise of the world, the demands of your to-do list, the rush of the day, it all stops here. This time you are taking right now is the most important investment you will make today. It's not about checking out, it's about tuning in. It's about clearing the mental clutter that clouds your focus and reconnecting with the powerful, capable person you truly are. You are here to reclaim your energy and reset your mindset. Let's begin. Make yourself completely comfortable. Adjust your position right now so that you can remain fully still and present for the duration of this practice. Whether you are seated or lying down, ensure your spine is aligned and your body feels supported. Close your eyes. Commit to this stillness. This is not a time for planning or analysing. This is a time for resetting. Bring your attention immediately to your breath. Do not change it yet. Simply observe the flow. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nose and the gentle release as it leaves. Now, take control of the rhythm. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, expanding your diaphragm. Hold it and exhale completely through your mouth, releasing all the air from your lungs. Again, inhale power and clarity. Exhale tension and noise. Feel the weight of your body pressing down. Feel the gravity anchoring you to this moment. You are not floating away, you are grounding down. You are solid. You are present. You are here. Now, we are going to shift your perspective. Keep your eyes closed and simply let your breath find its own natural rhythm. In your mind's eye, I want you to step out of your physical body. Move your awareness 3 feet away from where you are resting. Turn around and look at yourself. See yourself there. Observe your physical form. Notice the position of your hands. Notice the expression on your face. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. You are the observer. You are looking at the vessel that carries you through this life. Look at that person with objectivity. That person works hard. That person faces challenges. That person shows up day after day. Notice the energy surrounding that figure. Perhaps it looks tired. Perhaps the shoulders are holding weight that doesn't belong to them. Perhaps the mind inside that head feels cluttered. As the observer, you have the power to reset this. Imagine a clear, clean light, like the brightness of a fresh morning sun, forming directly above that figure. This is not magic. This is the energy of clarity and renewal. Watch as this light begins to pour down over the figure of yourself. See it wash over the head, clearing the mind. Watch it smooth away any tension in the forehead. See it flow down the neck and into the shoulders. Watch the shoulders drop as the weight of responsibility is lifted off them, just for this moment. See this wave of clarity move down the arms, out through the fingertips, watch it fill the chest, expanding the capacity for breath. See it flow down the spine, into the hips, the legs, and out through the soles of the feet. You are watching yourself being washed clean of stress. You are watching the tension evaporate. Now, step back into your body. Feel that sensation of clarity merge with your physical self. Feel the lightness. Feel the reset. You are back in control, grounded and ready. You have cleared the space. Now we will fill it with truth. I am going to speak to you. You do not need to repeat these words. You simply need to let them land. Let them sink into the architecture of your mind. Accept them as the truth. You are the architect of your reality. You are in control of your focus. You possess a deep reservoir of resilience that never runs dry. You are capable of handling whatever this day brings to you. You are not defined by your past mistakes. You are defined by your present actions. You are strong mentally and physically. You are worthy of success and fulfillment. You have the power to choose your reaction to any situation. You are focused. You are energized. You are ready. Feel those words settling in your core. They are not just sentences. They are the operating system for your day. You are grounded in your own power. Now, bring your attention back to the physical sensation of the room. Feel the air on your skin. Hear the sounds around you. We are going to wake up the body. Prepare to take the deepest breath you have taken all day. I want you to think about filling every corner of your lungs, feeling life vibrating in your cells. Get ready. Inhale deeply now, all the way to the top. Hold it for a moment and exhale powerfully. Let it all go. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Feel the energy running through your muscles. You are not the same person who started this practice. You are reset. You are recharged. You are clearer. When you open your eyes, you will carry this clarity with you. You will move with intention. You will act with purpose. Open your eyes. My name is Phil Jesse. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Be well.